Welcome to Instructor Live. My name is Carly and this is your 10-minute leg workout. So we're going to start by just warming up the entire body, getting the legs really fired up with some squats. So feet just a little bit wider than hip width apart. We're going to do 3 sets of 10, okay? It's up to you where you pop the arms. You can bring them out. That kind of helps you balance. Now remember, when you're going into your squats, you're sitting on a chair, weight is back in your heels, okay? Stomach nice and strong. So let's get going. Ready? Arms out. 6, 7, go down. And up, down, and up, good, down, and up, good. 6 more like this, so squeezing the bottom all the time on your way down and up. Good. 2 more. Good, all the way down, and rest, good. Okay, have a quick shake. Let's do our second set, arms out front, off we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, good. 6, 7, 8, 9, last one. Good, okay, have a rest for a few seconds. Good, last set, arms out. Off we go. 2, 3, 4, good. Really try and get as low as possible. 5, weight in the heels. 6, belly button to spine. 7, good. Should really feel it in the glutes and the quads. Good. Last one. Excellent, guys. Give your legs a shake. Let's go down onto the mat. Okay, guys, so once you are seated on your mat, choose the side to lie on. It doesn't matter which side we start first. Okay, so lying on your side, your bottom leg is bent to help keep you stable. You've got to think about a nice straight line all the way from your ankle, knee, hip and shoulder, okay? We're lying down on this arm. We can use this top arm for support, and we're thinking about supporting our waist still, okay? So try not to collapse into the side too much. Try and keep it nice and pulled up. There should be a bit of a gap that you can pop your finger in there. Okay, so lifting your leg up, we're gonna do some lateral side leg raises. So flex your foot for me, tilt that foot down slightly, so we're really feeling it up here, okay? So we're going up, and down, good, up, down, up, really putting a lot of energy through that heel, good, good, up, down, good. 8 more, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, hold it there for me, let's pulse it up there, good. So pulse, 2, 3, 4, good, really send the energy through your heel. Good, keep the knee nice and parallel. A few more, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, keep going. Good, okay, back to single raises. So we're going up and down, up and down, good, should really feel it there, down, up. 4 more, 4, down. 3, 2, 1. Hold it there. This time we're going to point our toes. You're going to give me 8 circles one way. So circle, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Coming forwards. Good. 1, 2, 3. Keeping the leg as high as possible. 4, 5, 6, 7, that's it, keep the hips straight. Last one, okay, hold it there for me, hold. Good, flex the foot, okay, the foot is coming forward this time. Again, trying to really support the waist here. Good, and back. So this one doesn't have to be too high, we're keeping it pretty much in line with our hips, but what we are thinking about is working the back of the leg, okay? So as the heel comes forward, we're using this arm to stabilize ourselves, we're supporting it here, and you've got to imagine like somebody is trying to stop your heel from moving backwards, so you're really creating that resistance for yourself. Good. Forwards again, 4 more. Good. Forwards. That's it, good. So it doesn't have to come too high, just as far as you can get it, keeping nice and stable. Good. One last one, here we go. Good, well done guys. Okay, relax the leg down. Let's switch legs. So pop this leg in front, your bottom leg is straight now. Now we're gonna be working the inside thigh, okay? So flex the foot again, lots of energy through the heel. You can check to make sure that you've definitely still got a straight line through your body, still supporting our waist here. Okay, so let's start with single raises, down, up, down, good. Really squeezing that inside thigh as much as possible, good. 2. Good. Give me 8 more like this. So we've got 8, 7, 6, good. 5, 4, 3 more. You can imagine what we're doing after this. We're going into those pulsers. Ready, okay, pulse the leg. Pulse, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, good, keep going. 16 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, single raises, up and down, good, up, down, up, 4 more, 4, 3, really squeeze it, 2, and 1, good, okay, relax the legs out. In your own time, just switch sides, we're going to be doing the other leg. Okay, so just getting back into this position, bottom leg bent, straight leg out ahead. Make sure that your heel, knee, hip, shoulder all in line, okay? Use this top arm to support yourself, thinking about keeping that waist nice and supported. Imagine you're standing in a straight line, we're not collapsing into the ribs, okay? Let's start with those single raises. Flex the foot, off we go, 1, and down, 2, good. So pointing that toe slightly towards the floor as well. So we're really getting that nice streamlined leg. Good. 8 more like this. Off we go. 8, down. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it there. We're pulsing. Off we go. Pulse. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, keep going. You should feel this a little bit in the glute as well, which is never a bad thing. Good. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So single and down. Good. Up and down. Up. Good. 4 more like this. 4, 3, good, 2, 1. Hold it there, point the foot, we're circling out and down, circle. So remember, this one isn't particularly high, but we're really controlling it. Good. 2 more, 2, and 1. Coming forwards the other way, 1. Good, imagine you've got like a pen or something on your big toe and you're drawing a nice big circle with it. Good. 4, 3, 2, should really feel it now. 1, hold it there, flex the foot, we're going forwards, and back. Good, create that resistance by imagining that you're pushing something back with your heel, okay? We're really working the backs of our legs here. Good. Remember, if you only come to there, that's absolutely fine, okay? Just make sure you're nice and supported here. So we're still working the core every time we're doing these kinds of exercises. Good. 2 more. 2, and back, really push. Imagine there's something really holding your ankle. Good, okay, relax the foot. Let's switch the legs. So bottom leg is now straight, top leg bent, relaxed over, okay? We're going for those inside thigh raises. Just check that you're absolutely in line. Good, off we go. So we've got up and down, up. Good. Up, down and up. Good. 8 more like this. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, almost there guys. 1, we're pulsing, off we go. Pulse, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, good. 16 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, single raises, 1, and down, up, and down, good. Up, down, up, good. Almost there. 2, and 1, good. Guys, well done. Okay, give your legs a little shake, roll onto the back if you wish. Shake them out. Good, and when you're ready, come up to a seated position. Well done guys, that was your leg blast. Thank you very much and enjoy the rest of your day.